In this video, we are going to discuss the role of finance manager. So the finance manager has to perform the mainly four activities. First, to estimate the need of required fund. Second, to procure or to acquire the required finance from the various sources, whether it is short term or long term. And then to distribute finance among various departments. As we have seen, the finance is connected, interrelated with each and every department of business. And the fourth is to frame capital structure that increases firm's value, that maximizes firm's wealth. The role of finance manager consists of, it is first of all, it is the top administrative executive person. Second, whether the finance is sufficient or not, it should be decided by the finance manager. Finance manager should ensure that the business should have sufficient finance to operate it and examine the financial position of the business continuously. Then the finance manager need to ensure that there is no scarcity of finance in any department of the business for smooth functioning of operations. And then to plan, to pre-think, to proper plan, scientific plan for the use of funds. Then for sufficient balance, for maintaining sufficient balance, we need to have financial manager will perform that duty. Then for procurement of funds of finance at low cost, the financial manager is there. Then for proper arrangement of working capital, the financial manager will focus on it. And for analyzing what factors are going to affect my financial position, the financial manager is there. So these are the key roles, activities that a financial manager should perform. It is more about the responsibility part also of the finance manager. Then the financial manager and his team should also focus on two more parts, that is, one, as a role as a treasurer. Second, the role as a financial controller. As a treasurer, the finance manager's team should focus on submitting the financial report on time, for making proper cash planning through the cash flow statement analysis and cash budget, for planning for borrowing of money from where we need to borrow if it is required, and if it is excess, so where we need to employ that excess money. Then for estimating the income and expenditure in the form of cash. Then for suggestion for rate of dividend, how much we need to distribute to the shareholder, we need finance manager and his team. Then with respect to cash management, the financial manager and his team need to keep control on all the cash transaction which are coming into the cash inflow and outflow from the business. Then to manage the petty cash expenses and to handle the bank account and all the transactions of business. Then regarding credit management, the finance manager and his team need to calculate the risk sales on credit to the customers, and from which policy will collect the amount from the customers. Then decision for cash discount and terms of credit should be decided. Role as a financial controller includes the role of conducting internal audit. The role consists of analyzing the information and to control the finance. Then third is for budgetary control and the financial activity. Fourth, with respect to specific control activities, especially with respect to tax planning, that our tax liability minimizes, and the ratio analysis for knowing the strength, the position, the performance of our business. Then for inventory control, for preparing financial reports and register. So these all are the functions of finance manager and his team. There is one beautiful quote that a sort out the mess other managers don't even know they have created. This is the role of finance manager. In a very simple line, the role or the significance of finance manager as described here. I again repeat, I sort out the mess other managers, the managers from the other department have done, but they don't even know that they have created this mess. So this is all up to this topic.